Today is errands day. We're gonna run errands and we're getting ice cream. We're getting ice cream. I haven't had ice cream in probably I don't even know, like a year? I don't know. It's been a long time. My only issue with ice cream is I have an addictive personality. So if I like it, which I do, I love ice cream, I want to have it every night. But luckily, I'm at a place where once it's gone, it's gone. You know, I have to wait till the next time I go to the store. Oh, ice cream. Ah. It's the little things. Anyways, we have to do laundry, dump tanks, fill up water, grocery shopping, and I should get propane and I should fill up fix my tire. But that can wait. That can wait. Anyways, ice cream. Ah! Especially if the wiener's name is Roxy. I am so low on propane. I was afraid to run out because it'll shut off the refrigerator. So I'm here at True Value. Hopefully they can help me. Yay! We are full. Ready to rock and roll. That was easy. I'll turn everything back on. There we go. Lock up. I wanted to thank a couple people for your generosity. First of all, I wanted to thank Alan. Alan, you are a godsend. You gave me some money through Buy Me a Coffee, and I went and got, this seems to be my favorite right now. You can get this at Walmart. So I got a couple things of coffee, and I like to mix it with a little bit of this espresso, not too much, because this stuff is like it's powerful. Let's just put it that way. So I put it in this mason jar and then just put a little bit of the espresso in there with it, and it can get you going in the morning. Anyways, so I bought that, and it paid for my tire extender, wheel extender. So thank you so much for that donation. And then Donna sent me, she didn't specifically say it's an ice cream fund, but that's how I interpreted it. So I got my favorite ice cream, which is this gelato ice cream. It's very pricey, so I don't get it very often. I think the last time I got it was a year ago, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna treat myself. So I got this one, which is pistachio. I got the chocolate peanut butter cup. As you can see, I've already dug into that. And I got Maddie one, since it was his idea to get the to turn this into an ice cream truck. No, he said, use your freezer, your new refrigerator freezer, as an ice cream, you know, just for ice cream. I'm like, yes, it's brilliant. So I got him the butter pecan. And then I had another one that I shared with Ron, and that was, it had caramel in it. Caramel cookie crunch or something like that. So we shared that. And so anyways, I wanted to thank my generous subscribers for just allowing us to treat ourselves, because right now, you know, it's just like, I just spend my money on absolute necessities. I take that back. I do indulge in a drink here and there. Since I have company, I don't drink alone, but I thought since I'm camping with others, I allow myself one drink. So anyways, everything else is going to necessities. It's been helping that I haven't been driving or going anywhere. I mean, I should have done that a long time ago, but I just couldn't sit still. Roxy's like, I like having company and sitting still. I know you do, baby girl. we're doing more of it. She had a rough morning this morning. I introduced some new dog food to her yesterday. Just gave her like a few, you know, dry ones. And this morning, she was just like, Mommy, I gotta go. It's not agreeing with me. So I've got to mix it in with her old food and just soak it and just introduce it very slowly because I can't get her old food out here. Maybe I could order it online and have it delivered. Say bye, guys. Say thank you, everyone. So generous, so kind. Say thank you. She's doing good now. Wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? The sun finally came out. She's like, no, I want to go back to sleep. Okay, Roxy, go back to sleep.
He's a baby dog.
Check out his ass. It's getting busy today. The weekend is approaching. Is that Buttercup? Look how they're just all bunched together here. I can't even count how many people are there. But it is a meetup group. So I guess they don't mind.